Hey there! If you've been thinking about getting a new smartwatch, you're in for a treat. Today, we're going through the top 5 best smartwatches that make staying healthy, connected, and stylish easier than ever. Let's take a look at the best options out there and find the perfect one for you. Links to all products are in the description. Coming up at number 5, we have the OnePlus Watch 3. This smartwatch stands out with an incredible 120-hour battery life, meaning almost a full week without charging. Built with a titanium bezel and sapphire crystal, it offers durability and premium style. With 32 gigabytes of storage, you can carry music and apps right on your wrist. Powered by Wear OS, it delivers smooth performance, smart notifications, and advanced health tracking. Perfect for those who value long-lasting power, premium design, and smart features, the OnePlus Watch 3 is an excellent all-rounder. At number 4, the Garmin Venu 3 is a dream for fitness enthusiasts who want style too. Its 1.4-inch AMOLED display is bright and easy to read indoors or outdoors, packed with advanced health features like heart rate, sleep analysis, stress tracking, and guided workouts. It's a reliable companion for training. You'll also enjoy music storage, Garmin Pay, and smart notifications for convenience. The stainless steel bezel adds durability and elegance, making it versatile for both the office and gym. For accurate fitness tracking with everyday functionality, the Garmin Venu 3 is a fantastic choice. Coming in at number 3, the Google Pixel Watch 4 offers a sleek design powered by Google AI. With heart rate monitoring, advanced sleep tracking, and insightful fitness data, it's built for everyday health. Its 30-hour battery and LTE support keep you connected wherever you go. What makes it shine is seamless Google integration, Google Maps, Assistant, and more, bringing smart tools right to your wrist. Easy to use, stylish, and powerful. The Pixel Watch 4 is ideal for Android users who want both health tracking and smart functionality in one elegant package. Runner-up at number 2, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 strikes the perfect balance between health, fitness, and lifestyle. Its sleek cushion design is stylish yet comfortable, while features like advanced sleep coaching, heart rate monitoring, and a running coach help you perform at your best. The new energy score is a standout, showing when to push harder or rest. Beyond fitness, it offers seamless smart features, quick notifications, and smooth pairing with Galaxy phones. Lightweight and versatile with a bright display, the Galaxy Watch 8 is a top pick for health-focused Android users. And finally, our top pick is the Apple Watch Series 10. With its large 46mm always-on Retina display, everything looks sharp and vivid. It's packed with advanced health tools like ECG, heart rate monitoring, and full fitness tracking, making it perfect for health-conscious users. Water-resistant and durable, it goes from workouts to the pool with ease. What really sets it apart is its flawless integration with the Apple ecosystem. Answer calls, reply to texts, unlock your Mac, and more. With sleek, jet black styling, the Apple Watch Series 10 is the ultimate smartwatch for iPhone users. And that's our roundup of the top 5 best smartwatches you can get right now. Which one do you think fits your lifestyle best? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and hit the bell so you never miss our latest picks. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, links to all products are in the description below.